Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you go to sazanalytica.com, join the Discord, but also take a look at the free 2 weeks of access to the algorithms like Shark Algo and Gigatrend, which is pretty damn excellent. You guys, you should honestly take a look, and also you'll get VIP access to the Discord, where I've been putting up my unique analysis, you know, making sure whether I've been sick or not. I've been posting in there at least once a day to keep everyone updated. So make sure to go over to sazanalytica.com and sign up now. So what's up, guys? Agent 87, yo, what's up, brother? And Funky TV, what's up, man? I'm chilling over here, just back, pretty much healthy and happy. Yeah, chill a couple hours here and then probably go pick my son up and eat some dinner. So alright, let's talk about some price. We came out of the hole, we had some good buy signals, pushed a little deeper, got a little more of a severe band color here. There was a big fat wall here. There was a big wall here, very short period of time, and it probably wasn't a serious seller, probably a spoofer. It was like 1500 Bitcoin sell wall. Very unnatural, but I remember this very well. That's probably what caused us to not have any signals around these parts. So, and it is what caused us to have signals up here, but they pulled their order. We kept moving back from kind of channel range low 40,000 up to the channel range high 43s, and now we've fallen off to find a 41,800 support zone. In other words, higher than where we were before. Buyers having chased the book, a higher price point with a dual band confluence. You can see once we flipped all the way up here, and this little red, this whole period of time was that one seller that I was telling you guys about who pulled their order. But once that person was gone, it looks like things went back to normal, pumped up into the air a bit, and lost our dual band confluence. Aggregated spot markets got ass dominant, and perps kind of tightened a little bit. You can see the fall off in the amount of bids, pretty constant amount of asks. But overall, we have fallen back to a point where we both have signal support and we have a dual band confluence in the picture again. So that's looking pretty sweet. What's up, Phil Britt? Great to see you. We long this 30-minute reversal. Need the 1 hour long signal, Agent 87 says. I think this was it. This was probably it. Maybe we might push a little lower or something. But, you know, grind it out a little bit. But that has kind of been the nature of the market lately. A little grindy once we get to areas. But we do have support, you know. We do have buyers and overwhelming dominance of support in the book up at this price point. So, I mean, this is looking really sweet. Right, now on the Gigatrend daily picture, we're looking at our most recent position is a closed long. Let's see if we got anything on the daily, on the 4 hour. Okay, so we have an activated long on the 4 hour Gigatrend long. Currently sitting in a little bit of a loss. Shit, what are we doing here? About 2%. But I want to see if this thing evolves into a daily signal long. That would be probably the ideal situation. And so our Gigatrend is looking pretty good on the 4 hour. Higher low, support off the 50. We have another moving average cutting right in our intermediate. I like this. I like this. I think we're going to get our money's worth. Now for CME gaps, all closed. All closed. We did have a CME gap down here, which seems to have closed recently. And we had a CME gap to the upside, which closed yesterday pretty quickly. Supported the CME gap down here. A lot of movements going on. A lot of chop. I mean, the span of a couple days we've gone, you know, from channel top to channel bottom. It's definitely looking pretty choppy. Now, support over and over of a CME gap makes it a support gap, and I am inclined to think right now, with this having supported so many times, that we're gonna crack the roof here in the 40 mid, you know, this mid 40k gap, 44,320, 44,910, all the way up to our gap at 52 to 53k. So I think we clean house here, and then we really take aim at that next gap overhead. Alright guys, my sleeping schedule is all whacked out. I got hit with something pretty bad, man. I was sick for a minute there. Real painful. It was, there's something going around, so just be mindful, guys. Stay healthy. Alright, so CME gaps are looking good for now. We're just playing right in between this range. Support, support, support. We haven't really made it high enough to consider this much of anything just yet. We made a lower support channel high range here in the 43Ks, 43.2 range. You know, pretty consistent zone. So, yeah. Yep, now we wait and see. Robert Zufall, what's up, man? Hanging out. You guys, the trading competition starts tonight. Make sure you sign up. There's a link beneath the video you can use to register your account, and I'll have a registration for the competition link here pretty soon. But if you join the competition, you'll get access to the Discord comp chat. Good times in there. We've had a lot of good times. I'm gonna be streaming back again. I'm pretty much feeling better. I was feeling really bad last week, guys. Came home from Vegas, fucked. But I'm back. So point is, join the competition, free entry. There is going to be a volume-based criteria to be able to win, but we're just trying that out. I don't think it matters that much whether you trade with, you know, it's going to be like over the 7 days you need to have a volumetric amount traded of 10k. So, you know, that's something that I would do anyways, even with $10, you know. $10 20x is a couple hundred. So yeah, ping ponging that back and forth, it'll catch up. But I don't think I don't think it'll matter too much. But apparently there were some complaints from people about it. So I said let's just try it once. Let's see how it goes. So make sure you join that trading comp, guys. It'll be fun. It'll be a good time. Every single one is a good time. We'll keep them just recurring. But it's always good to take a break. I know Phil, you've traded each one. I've traded each one. I've learned from my failures. And there's definitely something good about trading competitions. But it's good to take a break every once in a while. Nice. 10k is mellow, but yeah, it keeps the one a day lucky trades from winning. Yeah. Yeah, I guess this should be a trade competition based more on active trading. You know, I guess that makes sense, yeah. That's a good point, Phil. That's a good point. And yeah, with this good range that we have going on here, this is going to be a bit more fun. I think we're going to break this channel, and I think we're going to break it to the upside. Just not sure really when. Let's see here. What do we have? Thursday. A little bit of stuff. Friday, a little bit of stuff, but a lot of it's yellow actually. It seems like everything's kind of interesting here. No greens. Greens are usually like the nothing burgers. But we'll see. So, yeah. I guess I like your point there, Bill. Someone can't just hit and run with one trade, and yeah, because you know there's a lot of moving up and down when you're day trading. So yeah, I get it. I get it. It makes a lot of sense now. Yo, what's up, Pim? Good to see you, man. How's everything going? All is fine. Last few days of work this year. Enjoy time with family. That's what's up. Yeah, I got my son for the Christmas break, so I'll be hanging out with him a lot. Actually, no, I think he's gonna go to a camp. He changed his mind. I told him we could hang out, but he wanted to go to a little Christmas camp thing, like a winter YMCA or whatever. Yeah, that's good though, Pim. Good to enjoy time with your family, get a break. That'll be awesome, man. It was a 4 hour. I just see moving average support. I think it's bullish. We've really held this support line pretty good. This range right here, check, 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 check. Resistance line pretty much solid as well. I think we're in a channel. I think we have the potential to break a little bit out of this channel high though. There's a lot of resistance upside though. Well, I'll take a look on TRDR. Yeah. Still buying some sats weekly. Maybe we'll start some trading next year. Make sure we talk about trading, because there's a big difference between investing and trading. And you're an investor, but trading, you need to have an entry plan. And like before you even enter a position, what would I do right now? Enter, exit, take profit, double down, you know, stop loss. You need to have 5 things ready to roll once you make a trade. So just be mindful of that. You know, you really want to make trading an inexpensive education. If you plan to trade one day, you should start developing a strategy now. And you know, try one of these trading competitions, $10 or something, you know, make it very inexpensive, but learn to trade under pressure. It's going to be real good for you. Don't just start trading with significant amounts of money, man. Everyone loses. Or you start at the beginning of a bull market, which might be your case here pretty soon. But yeah. No need to do all that. I'm investing at the moment, so yeah, I will make it inexpensive. Oh yeah, investing. Learning from the books at the moment. Learning from these books, these order books. Fuck books, man. You're better off learning from someone who's actually traded. I'd rather you be asking me a lot more questions than reading books from, you know, some static shit that doesn't explain how you trade Bitcoin. You know, oh, Winston, what's up, dude? Fucking great to see you. Happy to see you here, man. We're starting a trading competition, Winston. Make sure you get it. Gonna hit you up. Yeah, and Phil Brick, 90% of retail traders lose money. Keep it small. Yeah. Yeah, and I think what Martin said, like, just stare at Bitcoin price action, man. Get used to it. You know, just get used to staring at a chart all day. Get used to understanding the order book here, and I think there's a lot more value that goes into understanding how an asset moves than how you know, what a book says. Especially, none of these books are gonna tell you how to trade crypto, and definitely not the right way. There isn't necessarily a right way, but my point is more like it's a difficult game to play. The psychology and all that stuff, those are things that you can't read about. You have to live. So $10 in a trading competition, absolutely worth it. Yo, Phil, take care, brother. Yeah, we'll get it tonight, man. Took me 3 years to get a system down and become profitable. Yeah, that's probably, sounds about right. Yeah, Pim, it won't necessarily take years, because you will be able to stand on the shoulders of giants. But I guess the bigger thing is just make sure that you don't like trade with $10. And if you're planning on starting next year, more valuable than any book is looking at charts, man. Looking at charts. What would I do? What would I do? Use some moving averages. Do a few things that you know are going to be useful. Trade with some stuff that you've heard about, you know, try to filter out some of the things that you like and don't like, and just start getting used to it. Yo, what's up, Al Cubes? Good to see you, man. How you doing? I'm pretty good, man. I'm back to my proper health, feeling a lot better. Want to eat some junk food, man. I've been eating pretty healthy for a while. While I was sick, if I was eating anything at all, it was probably healthy. Yeah, I'm recovered. Thanks for asking, man. Sounds good, Pim. Yeah, you're getting the right idea. You're getting the right idea, man. Yo, what's up, Ryan S? Robert Zaval, is Max Payne up only? In general, no. Right now, probably yeah. I say Max Payne has been up for a long time right now because to me, Max Payne is not gonna happen until the people that are waiting for $10,000 Bitcoin buy in. Once those people that are waiting on the teens or the 10k Bitcoin pipe dream stuff, once they buy in, then we're getting to the Max Payne situation. Now, the question is, at this point, are we gonna have a pullback right then, or are we in a bull market that's gonna mostly see green candles and sideways candles? I think that's I think there's more to be determined there, because look, we inch closer to the halving every day, and we inch closer to an ETF decision, which is probably going to be a yes. So, and then we have the election next year, which is probably going to put Trump back in office, which is going to be very bullish for all markets. So, I mean, can we go a full year of green candles? Yeah. Are we going to? Probably not. So I'm trying to figure out, if I was a whale manipulating the market, what would I do here? You have to, the market ebbs and flows. It needs to have pullbacks, it needs to have upside action. So as far as some of these ebbs and flows are concerned, well, we go up a bit further. We try to get these pipe dreams, these fucking hopium smokers waiting on 10k Bitcoin. We get them in the market, and then we drop some bomb, something that brings us back down 10-20 grand, make them really regret it, make a lot of those people who bought in high sell and then smack themselves because, oh shit, I should have bought at 17, but now I bought at 50 and it went down to 30, and now they're gonna fucking be real mad, that's Max Payne right there. Those guys. So is Max Payne up only? No. After those people buy in, Max Payne is back down. And Ryan, what's up, man? What did you think of Colby Covington, man? He looked like fucking shit. I was kind of rooting for America, cause obviously, but I mean, Colby Covington fucking disgraced every American with that performance, dude. Terrible. What a piece of shit, man. I don't think anyone likes him anymore. I hope no one likes him anymore, cause he's just an absolute piece of shit. I knew it was going to be boring, but I didn't think Colby would do nothing. That's what I did not expect. Colby Covington, I thought he was gonna I thought Colby Covington was gonna wrestle. He didn't even try to wrestle, man, until like round 3. Oh yeah, Bryce Mitchell, man. Yo, I really like Bryce Mitchell. He took probably one of the hardest knockouts I've seen in a long time, man. Long time. He's a G though, man. He's a G. Yeah, I mean, and the unfortunate thing is, Leon Edwards is really he's not really a well-known knockout artist, man. He has that one kick with Kamaru Usman, but that's about it, man. I don't know what else Leon Edwards has done, but as far as champions go, I think Oliveira is one of my favorite champions in recent history. And, you know, champions that went out there and went for the knockout. Volkanovski's good. Colby's just a pussy, man. Dude, look at how he talks, man. You can't fucking talk like that and not be a total fucking coward. Yeah, he looked really bad, dude. He just looked so bad. He looked so bad. He didn't shoot. I think he shot his first takedown in like round 3. Really, really bad. Yo, that girl Nina Drama pisses me off, dude. I like some of the videos on YouTube of stuff with that, you know, with fighters and all that, but like, dude, she just posts fucking thirst trap pics on Twitter. And she has a freaking boyfriend. So fucking disrespectful, dude. He's obviously a fucking cuck. I think if Makhachev were to fight Leon, he would destroy him. I think Islam destroys most fighters because he can out wrestle the hell out of most guys. But I don't know. I think Islam is a pretty small dude. I don't think he's gonna be going up a weight class to fight, man. Yeah, Leon Edwards should have fucking tried to knock Colby out, though. Honestly, for saying what he said, man, Leon should have thrown at least one fucking head kick. Colby's leg was damaged, dog. Colby's leg was mangled, yeah. But yo, Leon should have fucking tried to knock him out after what he said about his dad. Yeah. Overall, I think the prelims were probably more entertaining than the main card. But whatever, man. And that was all Dana White's doing, man. He fucking held up the welterweight division to force Colby Covington to get a shot, and you know, it's just crazy, man. Dana White fucking cared so much to make Colby Covington the champion. Colby Covington comes out looking like that, absolute fucking trash. And, you know, whatever, it sells pay-per-views type shit. And now we have a pretty inactive situation. Yeah, Colby, I don't think anyone even wants to watch him fight though. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, there's nothing to see there anymore. I mean, people probably want to see him get knocked out, you know? So I think, yeah, I think they, what's it called? You know, get Colby a fight that gets his ass kicked hard. You know who really should retire? Tony Ferguson. Tony Ferguson should retire. Yo, I don't know. I was thinking about that too, man. The welterweight division is fucking worthless right now. Hamzat was probably gonna make it most entertaining. Yeah, right now I think the lightweight division's pretty stacked. The heavyweight division's pretty stacked. Light heavyweight is stacked. Middleweight's pretty good. Welterweight's like, what the fuck is going on, man? Yeah, dude, I agree. Welterweight like should be like the premier division, you know, but it really isn't right now. I mean, I wish Leon Edwards, dude, he has a lot of it, man, but he just doesn't have knockouts, man. Obviously the Kamaru Usman head kick, but I mean, Usman had quite a few, you know. That Jorge Masvidal knockout was fucking baller, man. Usman blasted Gilbert Burns. I mean, you know. Usman broke Colby's jaw. That's how you fucking stop someone from talking shit. Yeah, exactly. I was thinking, like, you know, most people in welterweight aren't marketable. As much as we loved Kamaru Usman, he wasn't very marketable, you know. And a lot of these guys, man, I think same situation, hard to market. Like Bilal Muhammad, like what the fuck? No one cares about him. Let's go to the UFC welterweight rankings. Welterweights, where are you? Alright. Leon Edwards, Kamaru Usman, Bilal Muhammad. No one gives a shit. Shavkat Rakhmonov, rank 3. He's probably out for a while. Apparently he hurt his ankle. Gilbert Burns is tight. I think a lot of people would get behind him. I think a lot of people would get behind Shavkat. Colby Covington should move down quite a few more in the rankings. He's ranked at 5. Stephen Thompson's too old. Sean Brady, no one gives a shit. Jeff Neal, no one gives a shit. Vicente Luque, no one gives a shit. Ian Gary is a cuck. No one likes him. He's kind of on the same level of no one likes him, equal to Colby Covington. Jack Della Maddalena, Kevin Holland, we love. Absolutely love Kevin Holland. Neil Magny, Michael Kaseya isn't even like a fighter anymore. I don't know what the fuck he's doing up there. Yeah, welterweight is pretty shitty right now. Kevin Holland's probably the biggest dude there. Yeah, he seems a little unmarketable, but you know, he has finishes every fight. I'm just saying that's better than nothing, you know. Like lightweight, you got Oliveira, Gaethje, Poirier, Sarukian, Chandler. No one really cares about Gamrot. Dariush is kind of done. Fiziev is hurt. Hooker's tight. Turner's tight. RDA is old. Benoit Saint-Denis, he's bad fucking ass. Bobby Green, Drew Dober, both those guys are fucking tight. I mean, you probably have a pretty stacked bantamweight division, featherweight, bulk. You got a lot of people down there. Oh, there's a women's pound for pound ranking list. Worthless. No, I mean, no one gives a shit about women's MMA. Only tryhards. How is Alexa Grasso P for P1? O'Malley gains some size and fight featherweight. Yeah, nah, he's not going. He's not leaving. And a lot of these guys are aging out here pretty soon. Nice little pump, good from the long. Paulo Costa's ranked. If anything, fucking, you know, like, Dan Hooker should move up to welterweight. A lot of these guys would probably be way more marketable. Justin Gaethje, man, he would be badass in welterweight, but I think a lot of these guys are pretty short. Leon Edwards pretty tall. Gilbert Burns is short. Yeah, I guess it would be cool. Ian the Cuck Gary, though, man. Piece of shit. Yeah, well, you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm just watching some price action here. Nothing really to see. Nothing for us to get too excited about, worked up about right now. So, it looks like we just kind of hover, push up a bit higher. Our range right now is about 41.8 to about 43.2. So I think we hang out and, you know, that's just going to be in the name of the game for now, for a little while probably. I don't think we're ready to break out. I think we need a news event to break us out. If we get some technicals that get a little bullish, then maybe I'll take a more serious look at that. But for now, I think we're already doing enough by going sideways. We do have some articles that'll force us over the top, you know, the ETF news, but I don't know if that's this or next year. So, alright guys, we'll be talking more. I'm going to be around, and we're going to be doing the trading competition. I'll be live. I'll be in the Discord channel a lot during the trade comp, making sure that we have a great time in the trading competition, and, you know, just stay active in the Discord. So I'll be in the voice chat in Discord, in the competition chat, so make sure you join the competition if you guys want to be hanging out and fucking chilling in disco. So yeah, this coming week is going to be probably a lot more disco hanging out than YouTube streaming, but just wanted to come back for a long one since I've been gone for so long. Then I got sick, you know, so alright guys, much love to you all. You know, stay healthy, stay strong, stay wise, and you know, bend out your comfort zone, turn that shower water cold every day. Alright everyone, much love to you all. You know what, make sure you read the Bible. Make sure you freaking bend out your comfort zone, fast. Make sure you intermittent fast. Read the Bible. Give yourself to God. Accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior. Yeah, just do the right things, guys. World's we're in the fucking final chapter of Earth right now. Maybe the second to last. So just be on the right side of history. Hope to see you guys in heaven.